Hi and welcome to another video from Dale Farm. Kind of stating the obvious, but it's snowing again. It was raining this morning and then the snow started to fall, so I'm just on the lane now, the one that goes right down to the farm, and everything looks ever so pretty. There's Nick lurking in the background. Yep, here they are. In the winter wonderland. They look quite content.
Yeah, I've just brought the Highlands of bale. There's quite a lot of rough grazing up on the top. When they were down on the bottom now, they were the bale every other day. This is now the 5th day, so it's good. So they've got this to come and have a fill up, and then some rough grazing when they want it.
What do you think of the weather?
It's okay, isn't it? I quite like a bit of snow.
They look pretty happy anyway.
Yeah, and the calves have got corn and a bit of hay in their feeder over there, and they've got a molasses bucket to lick at, so they're not so bad.
I think that they want to come and invade the bale, and they're being a bit cautious because Nick's here with his camera. The snow is kind of obliterating the view a bit, but you get a beautiful view from here, and this is all part of the cows' grazing area. All these trees, and there's a footpath that runs through, so you can have a meander through and look for the cows. Not as cold.
Well, no, the ice is nowhere near as thick.
No.
But well, we're back into winter again. It was extremely wet on I don't know where we are, Wednesday night. Then yesterday it snowed all day, and it sort of stopped, and now it's froze quite hard. That's enough for me to break the water. The job to get in the truck because it was wet when I put it away, and then froze. So it's a real sort of frosty, rimy morning. But at least it's dry.
Yeah.
So we're thankful for that.
So we are in the mist, in the fog. And yeah, the wet snow has become powder snow. Yeah, everything's like a winter wonderland. So we've got just one more group to feed of sheep and then off for our breakfast. Come on! Come on! Come on! This is the group of lambs from last year, so Bambi and Phantom and the other lambs and the cull ewes. Hello, Bambi. Yeah, so they've got frozen wool. Are you...
It's been wet, it's frozen.
Yeah. They look content anyway. We've had our breakfast now and it's time to take some more haylage this time to the sheep. So we're putting a bale in the shed, filling up the trailer, and then we're going to take the haylage up to the fields. The whole yard is sheet ice. So there's a lot of slithering around going on. What are we doing?
Well, the ground's completely covered with snow and there's nothing sheep can get at. So they've had the hay this morning and we're taking some extra haylage so they can pick at that until the grass clears again. But it is getting time of year now when it may want to introduce him, but this snow sort of brought it on a little bit early.
It smells good stuff. Smells like good stuff. Up at the field now, we've got two groups to feed and the fog has slightly receded, so we've got a bit of sunshine. Still foggy down at the farm, but up in the fields nice and clear. And as you can see, we've taken the little trailer, filled it full of haylage, and now we're just going to drop it off. But first of all, break the ice on the water troughs down here. So you're going to chuck them some haylage out? Very early at the breakfast bar. They love it, don't they?
Yeah.
Just look at that! Wow! love this weather so much. The sunshine, the cold, the hard ground. Good for the animals, good for us.
Well, we've come up to feed the ewes and thrown them some lovely haylage out, which they're really enjoying, and we've come out to the, well, you can see the mess down there up into the clear blue sky. It's absolutely gorgeous up here. You know, postcard conditions, blue sky, calm, snow on the ground, snow through the trees.
You can spot the beasts.
Highland cattle just in the woods. Oh, this is a life.
Forget about lockdown. Whilst the weather has been very cold for the sheep, I've also been sure to make sure that we get our nice winter fuel as well. So here is some beef that I was cooking. I sweated off the onions, added the beef, some flour, some celery, then herbs, some stock and Worcestershire sauce, carrots, and then added it all together, left it to slow cook, and Bob's your uncle. That was our lovely warm evening meal. And that's the end of the video. I'm going to leave you with some scenes from what else we've been doing this week, which is me and Nick swimming in the ice. Thanks for watching.
What's your next visit?
Yeah, it's quite big. Yeah, it's around you. Not the easiest to swim in, is it?
See you later.